Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Tarek and I'm a group member of the Tech Squad. Today we are going to present you our project, The Fitness, in form of an interview in order to give you more inside information regarding our project. Now, you have a question, what is The Fitness is? It is a fitness app designed for the Australians and it is divided into three sections, food, sports and the blog. In the food section, user can find various recipes, different diet plans, and it allows user to order healthy and tasty food and connects them to respective restaurants and gives option to the user to dine in or take away their healthy food. It will help those people who tends to hesitate to cook at home sometimes and still wants to keep up with their healthy diet plan, which would serve as a motivation and as well as help the user to adopt their healthy lifestyle. Now, I would like to ask my teammate to give us some information regarding the food section of the fitness app. So, Tianki, tell me if a person has allergies or or she is vegetarian or vegan, then how to make a personalized diet plan.
I'm Tianxi, and I would like to introduce my two parts of the food section. Firstly, the diet plan section. The diet plan will combine the healthy recipe we provide. The page of diet plan will be displayed in the form of calendar memo, and a screen of each individual date will include the diet plan already made. Users are flexible to change their diet plan at any time. Then moving to the next section, which is dine or pickup section. Users could enable their GPS for the purpose of viewing the food items which are sold nearby to their location. Users could also choose to order food of the choice and decide to either pick up or dine in. Based on the selected option, the application connects the respective restaurants, and the food in which would be ordered is linked with all other two sections, and users could order them in their preferred time. While users click on the diet plan button, there will be an extra option for users to fill in some information regarding allergies or vegetarianism, and the application which would provide different plans compared to the majority of users. For example, if one potential user is a vegetarian, then his diet plan would exclude all the foods which contain any meat or anything that is meat ingredients.
Thank you, Tianki. Now, Winkle, tell me what to do if we cannot find particular ingredients for the recipe.
Having this type of problem, so we have resolved it by using a tip option. So tip will be having information such as what ingredients can be replaced with what, or the simple cooking methods, and that's it. So I will be talking about the healthy recipe. Healthy recipe has many subsections in it, which includes a multiple type of recipes. So once the user has selected a particular recipe, he will be provided with information such as steps, ingredients, nutrition facts, tips, and much more. So not only this, he or she will be able to review it, save it, we can say print or share it among the friends or anything. We also have added the sort and the filter button to get a better interaction between the user and application.
Let's move toward the sports section. The idea of this section is to teach our user a healthy and traditional way of being fit. Sports section will help our user to find nearby grounds and players according to user preferred locations for them to engage in several sports activities and also consist of various exercises to be followed. Now I would like to invite my teammate to give us more information regarding the sports section of the fitness app. So Alex, tell me how the user can able to find other players and ground from using this app.
In the sports section, I'll be discussing the feature which allows users to locate local sporting grounds and nearby players. The app will have Google Maps embedded into it, where a screen will prompt the user to allow or decline access to the service. To find sporting grounds that are near you, simply enter the location in the search bar and the app will display a map of the surrounding area with these locations highlighted on the map. There are also an option of using List View, where you can select individual locations, where it will provide detailed descriptions of sporting venues by listing the types of courts, whether it's indoor or outdoors, opening hours, public transportation available, and contact information about the local club. To search for players, the app will show a drop-down list where you can select the sport you'd like to play and your skill level, ranging from beginner to advanced. Once the selection has been made, a list of players that match the criteria will appear on the screen.
Sound interesting, Alex? I have one more question for you. Tell me how the user can communicate with the player they have matched with.
For users to communicate with each other, they need to select a player from the playlist so that they can add each other as contacts and initiate a conversation with them using the chat feature present in the app. From here, players will be free to discuss topics ranging from what sports they are interested in playing together, discuss times in which players are available, and which clubs and locations they plan on attending together.
Thank you, Alex. So now, Junji, tell me how the user manages the coaching session.
Hi, it's Junji here. The sports section of the application, there is another function called virtual coaching. This function is providing the appointment booking process of sport and fitness sessions to our users. They can choose the fitness sections which provided by the app and designed by our coach according to their own preference and goals. The coaches can also arrange and design the fitness courses according to the individual conditions and requirements of the participants. We offer the sessions and coaching both online and offline, which our users can either take the lessons through the video call or attend in person. The online coaching we provide can be an advantage features as there are possibilities that people aren't available to take the fitness coaching sessions face-to-face due to so many reasons, for example, the COVID-19 pandemic. By realizing the online coaching, the needs of those people who cannot take the sport or fitness sections face-to-face will be satisfied. When the user make choices on the sessions or coaches through our application, they can discuss with the coaches on their own requirements and special arrangement in the chat box. The application will also notice our users to attend the sessions they book at the day they choose in the appointment.
One more question from you, Junji. Tell me what the user can do if they want to learn more about the coaches and the session before making an appointment.
So, if the users want to learn more about the coaches and section we provide, they can search and read the related information in the blog written by the users who took the session before. The users can write blogs and reviews to make their own opinions on coaches and section they took. So if you want to learn more about those informations, we suggest you to read a blog which have the reviews on the corresponding ones. We will also design a ranking system for the sections and coach in the future developments of our application.
Thank you, Junji. Let's move toward the blog section of the fitness. This section is the page for the user to share their experiences on using the application and how helpful it was. Putting up the motivational videos and also providing a local chat box facility for the user to talk or share their perspective to other user, which might help them to realize that they are not alone in their weight loss journey or in their difficult times. Now I would like to invite Kavya to give us more information on the blog section of our app. So tell me, the Kavya, the blog section seems to be like the fun part. Can you describe what it's meant to do?
Sure, that's right. The blog pad does not only encourage your fellow users to be active and participating, but also acts as a motivation factor by making the users want to do everything in passion, especially for the reason they installed this application, which eventually means they had chosen to be fit and healthy, right? In particular, the blog part has got various motivational videos and success stories of others, which we as a team believe acts as an important factor to make other users do what they do best.
That's great. Can't wait to try out the application. One more question from you, Kavya. So what are the features of the blog part? What exactly it allow user to do?
Thank you. Well, the blog part itself has various forums where the users can chat with each other using local chat box in the blog. where they can share their concerns, make friends, feel supported, and have fun overall. It also has a newsletter for which the users have to subscribe using their personal email and username in order to receive daily notification and updates of the app and their activities. The community part allows the users to introduce themselves as newbies, participate in challenges, debates, and games, also view others' recipes or enter in their own recipe ideas, and form private and public groups, and so much more. Moreover, just to bring in our users together and update them with all the fun part, we have social media accounts running where we post stuffs that are different and very useful from the application itself, and a blog acts as a platform where the users can access our social media accounts.
That was great, Kavya. To conclude, I really hope our app work wonders and users find it helpful during this time of pandemic and they are able to look after their well-being by staying fit and healthy. Thank you everyone for watching our video.